We have continuing coverage on the Supreme Court's crackdown on President Trump's tariffs and the possible impact on your money. The justices determined Trump's sweeping tariffs were illegal under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act. CBS 47's Brianna Bias has a closer look at the administration's next steps, and we hear from a local financial advisor about it.
President Donald Trump met the Supreme Court's decision with a decision of his own today. He signed an executive order to create new tariffs, and this time his order states that he can do it without congressional approval, but only for 150 days. The Supreme Court with a long-awaited decision Friday. The justices ruled in a 6-3 vote that President Donald Trump's sweeping tariffs are illegal.
Today's a good day for the rule of law. Today is a good day for affordability, something that Americans and Californians have been screaming for.
The lawsuit challenging Trump's tariffs was brought forward by private groups, but California was the first state to join that case.
I think it was a well-rounded decision that was made.
The Supreme Court decision says the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, or IEPA, requires mass tariff decisions to go through Congress. Valley Congressman Jim Costa agrees.
That's not what our founding fathers had in mind. Now, 250 years of our democracy, they created a system of checks and balances that we refer to.
But President Trump calls the Supreme Court's decision unpatriotic.
Foreign countries that have been ripping us off for years are ecstatic. They're so happy. And they're dancing in the streets, but they won't be dancing for long. That I can assure you.
Trump says he's not sweating the Supreme Court decision because he already has a new plan in the works.
Today I will sign an order to impose a 10% global tariff under Section 122 over and above our normal tariffs already being charged.
In short, this is a mess. We don't know how this is going to shape up. We don't know what the new tariffs are going to be. Both the stock market and the bond market weren't really changed today with its decision.
Fresno financial advisor Brian Ullman says it's too early to tell how Trump's new tariffs will impact the economy. But he says lower tariffs may not reverse inflation the way many hope.
Prices may not come back down. That's deflation. But they may stop going up, which I think that alone would be a relief for a lot of people who are trying to make ends meet right now.
The U.S. has taken in more than $130 billion in tariff revenue over the last year, but the Supreme Court decision did not say whether it has to be refunded or not. Ullman says that would likely be in the hands of lower courts. However, some have already been writing the president letters demanding billions of dollars in refunds. That includes the governor of Illinois and the Nevada state treasurer. In studio, I'm Brianna Bias, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.